Hey buddies, welcome back to our super fun channel. Today, we're going on a magical laundry adventure. Are you ready? Before we dive into the bubbles and colors, make sure you hit that big red subscribe button and ring the bell so you never miss out on our fun times together. Yay! Let's get started. Look at this mountain of clothes. It's like a colorful monster, but don't worry. We're the laundry superheroes, and we're here to save the day. My super helpers, Leo and Mia, are here with me. Say hi, everyone. First things first, we need to sort the clothes. It's like a treasure hunt. We're looking for two types of treasure, the light, bright colors and the dark, mysterious colors. Whites, pinks, yellows, and light blues go in this basket. And all the dark colors like black, dark blue, and red go in this other basket. Mia, can you find a white sock? Good job, Leo. What about that dark blue shirt? Perfect. Sorting is so important because it stops the dark colors from playing a sneaky trick and changing the color of our light clothes. We don't want our white shirts to turn pink, do we? Silly colors. Great teamwork, everyone. All the clothes are sorted. Now for the really fun part, loading the washing machine. Let's start with the basket of light colors. We open the big round door. Then we gently put the clothes inside. We don't want to overstuff it though. The clothes need room to dance around and get clean. Imagine they're at a bubbly disco party in there. Okay, a few more pieces and perfect. Now we close the door. Click. It's time to add the secret ingredient that makes everything smell amazing and get super clean, the laundry soap. We have this special cup to measure it. We only need a little bit. See this line? We fill it right up to there. Pour it in. This soap is going to make so many bubbles for our clothes disco party. Now for the control panel. It looks like a spaceship, doesn't it? So many buttons and lights. We need to choose the right settings. We're washing our colorful clothes, so we'll choose the colors or normal cycle. And because these aren't super muddy, we'll use warm water. If they were really dirty, we might use hot water, but warm is just right for today. And now, the moment we've all been waiting for, the final press. Leo, can you do the honors? Press the start button. Listen, can you hear that? The water is starting to fill up. Whoosh, and look, it's starting to spin. Round and round it goes. The clothes are tumbling and turning, dancing in the soapy water. It's like a roller coaster for clothes. Can you see the bubbles? Look at them go. All the dirt and yucky stuff is washing away, saying bye-bye, while the clothes get cleaner and cleaner. This is so cool to watch. Let's peek through the window and see what they're up to. Wow, a whirlpool of t-shirts and socks. Okay, while our first load is having its bubble party, let's talk about something super important. Stains. Oh, look at this shirt. It looks like someone had a little too much fun with strawberry jam. But don't worry, we're stain-fighting superheroes. Before a stain like this goes into the wash, we need to treat it. I have a special stain remover spray. We just spray a little bit right on the spot, and then we can gently rub the fabric together. This helps the cleaner get deep into the stain and break it up before it even goes into the machine. Bye-bye strawberry stain. Now, let's get our second load ready. This is our basket of darks. Let's load them into the machine just like we did with the lights. Not too full, Remember, they need dancing room. Door closed. Click. Soap measured and poured. And settings chosen. This time, since they're dark clothes, we can use cold water. Using cold water is great for the planet because it saves energy, and it also helps keep our dark clothes from fading. We want that awesome black shirt to stay super black, right? Okay, Mia, your turn. Press the start button, and away they go. Another clothes roller coaster is on its way. Ding, ding, ding. Do you hear that? Our first load is finished. The light-colored clothes are all clean. Let's open the door. Wow, they smell so fresh, like flowers and sunshine. Now we have to move them from the washing machine to the dryer. The dryer is like a warm, cozy tumble-wine machine that will make our clothes soft and dry. We take the wet clothes out, shake them a little to get the big wrinkles out, and pop them into the dryer. Shake, shake, shake. Pop, pop, pop. One more thing before we start the dryer. A dryer sheet. This little sheet is magical. It makes our clothes extra soft and stops them from getting all sticky. You know, when they stick to you? This little guy prevents that. In you go, magic sheet. Close the dryer door. Click. And now, we choose the right setting. We can choose a setting based on how dry we want them, or we can use a time dry. Let's set it for about 40 minutes and press start. Whoosh, hear that? It's tumbling them around in warm air. It's like a warm hug for all of our clothes. While that's drying, let's get ready for the final super satisfying step, folding. This is my favorite part. It's like playing a puzzle with laundry. Look, our second load is done washing, so we'll get that into the dryer too. Teamwork makes the dream work. Buzz, the dryer is done. Let's get the warm clothes out. Ooh, they feel so cozy. Time to fold. Here's a super secret ninja way to fold a t-shirt. Lay it flat, face down. Imagine a line down the middle. Fold one side in, fold the sleeve back. Fold the other side in, and the other sleeve back. Then fold it in half from the bottom up. Ta-da! A perfect rectangle. Let's try another one. You can help me, Leo. Let's see who can make the neatest stack. And what about socks? The mystery of the missing sock. Let's be detectives and find the matching pairs. Here's a blue sock with stripes. Where is its partner? Found it. We put them together and fold them into a little ball. Sock folding is so fun. We're making little sock families. Look at our beautiful, neat piles of clean clothes. A stack of shirts, a stack of pants, and a basket of happy, paired up socks. We did it. We conquered the laundry mountain. From a messy pile to organized, clean, and fresh-smelling clothes, ready to be put away in our drawers. You guys were the best laundry helpers ever. Doesn't it feel so good to help out and get a big job done? And we had so much fun doing it. Thank you so much for hanging out with us on our laundry adventure today. Wasn't that a blast? If you had fun, give this video a big thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe so you can join us for our next adventure. We have so many more fun things planned. See you next time, buddies. Bye.